Happy New Year, guys! It's January, and January is not just another month for me because it's my birthday month, and that's why it is so special. And I'll be doing a very beautiful birthday series. Where I'll be sharing with you guys some fun, mazadar content for you guys that you guys love watching here on my channel. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's get started with my birthday series. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be sharing a very beautiful review of a homegrown brand called DM Beauty. मैंने इनके दो products लिए थे and I've been using it for almost like 1.5 to almost 2 months from now, and I've been enjoying both of the stuff that I've got, and I really wanted to come here and share my honest review of these two products. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते इस वीडियो को. बॉक्स काफ़ी प्यारी है एंड यहाँ आप देख पा रहे हो लिखा हुआ है DM Beauty, and I'm really excited. They have been launching a lot of beautiful items, but I have both of their best sellers and I've been wanting to go ahead and try out the products, and I did, and I took a long time to go ahead and try out the products and finally sit down and share my review of it. So let's begin. When I go ahead and open this box, these are all the products that I've got. I have gotten two of the best sellers right here, and आपको products के साथ साथ छोटू सा sticker का card भी भेजा जाता है. So here you go. They have sent this beautiful sticker card as well as their business card or their brand card, and then you get two of the beautiful stuff right here. I have gotten their best sellers. The first one right here is DM Beauty Glass Tin Balm, and this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. And then I got the All Over You Multi Stick, and this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. So let's go one by one. I'll start with the All Over You Multi Stick, and this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. Packaging काफी प्यारी है, आप देख ही पा रहे हो. You can see it is a beautiful heart cut out, and it is written All Over You Multi Stick. It's a beautiful multi stick that you can go ahead and use on your cheeks, on your lips, on your eyelids as eyeshadow, blush, as well as lipstick. And this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. I got the shade Mon Amour. It's a very beautiful nude coral shade that is so perfect for giving that natural flush of color without making it so obvious. So it just looks so nice, so natural, and you look so healthy. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This side here, as far as I remember, it was for around $9.99 rupees, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Homegrown brands, because of their vegan, cruelty-free in nature, and they use good quality ingredients in their products, they tend to be on a little expensive side. So this is what the beautiful multi stick looks like. It's in a very beautiful shade Mon Amour. आपको पीछे इस तरीके का स्टिकर मिल जाएगा जहाँ आपको शेड वगैरह सब कुछ यहाँ लिख दिया जाता है, and this is how it looks like. When I go ahead and open this up, यहाँ आपको ब्रांड का डिटेलिंग भी मिल जाएगा. So when I go ahead and open this up, you can see I have used this so very much. ठीक है, this is like my constant grab. एक होता है ना कि आप एकदम से एक ही चीज़ उठाते हो when you love a product so much. So this is my constant. I've been using it. जब से मैं ली हूँ ना तब से मैं इसे ही reach out कर रही हूँ, and I've been loving it. It looks so natural, so glowy, so healthy, and it just looks so nice. मैं cheek पे डाल देती हूँ, eyelids पे डाल देती हूँ, and then lips पे भी लगा देती हूँ for that monochromatic look. A lot of time multi sticks and multi use जो item होते हैं ना, they tend to be a bit on the drier side. So when you go ahead and apply that, skin हल्का सा dry हो जाता है, and when you go ahead and try to blend that in, it just looks very cakey, looks does not look nice. But this one right here is so moisturizing, बहुत ही लाइट वेट है एंड आसानी से फैल जाता है आपकी स्किन पे. दैट मेक्स इट लुक सो मच मोर स्किन लाइक. दैट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. बहुत ही नेचुरल एक फिनिश देता है. दैट जस्ट लुक्स सो नाइस. सो इफ यू आर समवन who loves natural skin glow finish, you can go ahead and try this one, especially in the shade Mon Amour. बहुत ही natural finish देता है and बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right here. So आप देख पा रहे हो, look at that shade. It just looks so nice, and बहुत ही हल्के हाथों से मैं इसे blend कर रही हूँ, and आप देख पा रहे हो बहुत ही आसानी से ये फैल जा रहा है. And that's how beautiful the consistency is, and that's how beautiful the product is. You don't need to go ahead and blend it rigorously because ये आसानी से फैल जाता है and आसानी से ये blend भी हो जाता है. Let me read out few of the ingredients that are used inside the multi-stick. So you get sea buckthorn, mango seed, kokum, goji berry as well as licorice, all of which are so nice and useful for your skin. So yeah, this is what the first product looks like. The packaging is absolutely luxurious. इस तरीके का packaging आपको एक high end brand में ही मिलता है, but I'm so proud that they are coming out with such luxe packaging and giving out such beautiful items at affordable high end prices. मैं ज़्यादा affordable नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि 9.99 for a multi-stick is not a cheap price. PM Beauty does not say that they are an affordable brand because they are targeting audiences that loves good quality and on the a bit on the higher end makeup items. इनके packaging and product की consistency texture से आपको समझ में आएगा कि they are someone who focuses a lot on their packaging, their luxuriness, and as well as the product as well. So everything right here is so luxurious, so gorgeous, and so very nice. So yeah, this is what the first item looks like. I'm so happy I went ahead and got this shade and it just looks so nice. And the next item is something that I have been eyeing for a while now. I've seen a lot of people swatching different shades and I was stuck on this particular shade and I thought I need to go ahead and grab it. So this is what the beautiful second product looks like. This is the DM Beauty Glass Tint Balm and this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. The outer, cardboard या फिर cartoon packaging as well as their, overall product packaging is just so gorgeous. They have, given in a lot of time and effort to think about the packaging and the outer as well as the inner packaging that actually makes such a huge difference. So इस तरीके का आपको cartoon packaging मिल जाएगा. This is the glass tint balm and I got this in the shade bronzite. I was a bit confused between, I think एक न्यूड कलर का था and एक ब्राउन कलर का है. So this one is like a nudish brown color. So I picked this one which is a brownish nude color that just looks so nice on my complexion. So इस तरीके का आपका outer packaging मिल जाएगा. Let's see what they claim. So they claim that this is a ultimate 3-in-1 lip hybrid. How? A high shine, high pigmented balm that combines the benefits of a lip balm, plumper as well as a gloss. तो आपको इस तरीके का इनर पैकेजिंग मिल जाएगा जो कि बहुत ही लग्जूरियस वाइब देता है. Again very gold overall gold packaging and then you get the name of the product embossed on the golden packaging. बहुत ही luxurious लगता है like this. And when I go ahead and open this up, I have used this so much. आप देख ही पा रहे हो, आपको नीचे से ऐसे घुमाना होगा and there you get the product right here. It is so gorgeous. आप देख पा रहे हो. Wow, this is what the product looks like. It looks so shiny. It just makes your lip look so juicy, plumpy, and so much more fuller, and that's what I absolutely love about this product. So let's go ahead and try this on. So basically, if you are a person who loves shiny lip glosses, you want that plumping effect as well as you want the product to nourish and hydrate your lips, there you go. This is the product. It's a very beautiful lip balmy kind of product that offers a hell lot of shine and makes sure that your lips look so much more plumpier, glossier, and so much more fuller. So let's try this on. Instead of just going ahead and applying the product, I'll just go ahead and line my lips first and then I'll go ahead and use the product. And I'm using this very beautiful Swiss Beauty matte bold matte lip liner in the shade dark chocolate to outline my lips. Guys, do you see the shine? It looks so shiny, so glossy, so juicy, and my lips look so much more fuller and bigger, and oh my god, I just love it. So the moment I used it for the first time, I knew I had to go ahead and grab most of the shades because this looks so stunning. So if you are a fan of nude colors, brown colors, and if you love outlining your lips with brown lip liner or darker shades, go ahead and grab this shade which is bronzite. Look at this. It looks so nice, so juicy, and so much more fuller. So yeah, there you go. This was my raw, honest opinion about both of the items that I got from DM Beauty. These are so good, and I'm so proud that Indian beauty brands, Indian home food brands are coming out with such good quality and beautiful, beautiful products. So yes, there you go. This was my short and quick video of the product that I got from DM Beauty. I will link all of the items in the description box. जरूर check कर लेना. And I will see you guys in the next video. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.